Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to import and export alignment geometry. Now, why is this important? Why can I just bring in an alignment as a reference? You can, but what happens sometimes is when you're doing labeling and if someone moves the alignment, like for example the alignment is inside a motif file and they take it out for some reason, you will lose all those stationing that you set, all those labels that are based on the alignment. Or God forbid, someone changes the alignment for something, you will lose all your work. So what I find that is easier and safer when you're doing labeling, just bring in an actual alignment into your file. Live, that's what I call it. Bring it live into your file. And this video I'm going to show you how. It's going to be a quick one. For this, I already have an alignment made. Let's open it up real quick. So here's the alignment. The alignment's already done. There's going to be another video on how to make your own alignment and where to set the start, stationing, and etc. So for this one, we're going under your Open Roads modeling workflow. We're going to go to import and export in your general tools tab. We're going to export this geometry. You can fill this little toolbox here by hand, or you can just, see in your cursor, it tells you what to do. So just left click and accept all the default parameters. Locate element. Okay, locate the alignment, right click to reset, and then left click to accept everything. Now it's going to tell you where you want to save it. It's going to save it as a LAN XML. I already have one made because I did a test run for this video, so let's just overwrite. That is done. Now that the geometry is saved, let's open a text file or something that you were doing your labels. I don't have one, so I'm just going to create one really quick. Text file. It's empty. We just made it blank right now. Let's bring in the geometry that we just created. Same place, geometry. Now we're going to click on, instead of export, we're going to import what you just made. Normally you want to save these XML files under symbology, but for this example, we're just going to keep it simple on the roadway. And this is what we just saved. This XML file has all the intelligence of the alignment that was created. We're going to export it. So select the top category, just select everything underneath. It's an alignment, it's a baseline. Import. And if we extend, there's our alignment. Let's rotate it a little bit just so you can see a little better. Now, notice that it didn't come with any annotation, it just came with the actual geometry because we imported the geometry. It's okay. We're just going to go here in the drawing production, element annotation, and then just locate the alignment and reset to complete. Give it a moment. Well, this crashed on me. We're going to do it one more time. Sorry about that, folks. My already crashed. That happens sometimes. Let's annotate this element. Right click to annotate. And there it is. Okay, so here's your alignment. Now, if you were doing your text files or your labeling, you can just come here and just do a regular label. Just make sure it works. And you can tell it works. It changes. So this is what I suggest, what you would do in your labeling file, like your text RD, etc. Just keep in mind that if you bring your text file into another file as a reference, it will also bring the alignment. So if you don't want to do that, you can just, once you're done labeling, just turn it off using, right click, hold, level off, and then just turn off, anything that has to do with alignment. So that way you don't see it once you're done labeling. But besides that, it's pretty simple. Again, one more time, geometry, export the geometry, save it in your symbology folder or whatever it is, and then once you're done, import it back, and then it's going to come out without any notation. Go to your drawing production. There's a split button here. If you click the top, it will always select what's on the top here. So click annotate, and then it will give you all the stationing ticks, and then you should be done. All right, that's it.